Hi, everybody. This is the MakeCode Arcade Advanced live stream, and Richard still counts from 3, so I'm confused. My name is Vivian. I'm at Lynchproof on the MakeCode forums.
Hey everyone, I'm Daniel. Daniel, I'm on the MakeCode forums.
And I'm Richard. At Richard on the MakeCode forums. Daniel, it's been a while.
Yeah, I'm happy to be back.
Yeah, we're happy to have you.
Yeah.
Speak for yourself, Richard. This stream will decide. No, we're happy to have Daniel back. Let's see. So we have a plan today, and the plan is furniture placing. So I'm going to need furniture art from everybody.
Okay.
And we're gonna make it aligned to a grid. So, we'll figure out how it works. But let's just make a room, and then we'll make it like how do you guys feel about 16 by 16? I feel like that's enough better. That's better for like furniture, right?
Sure. I mean, furniture does come in a bunch of different sizes, but
yeah. But I feel like if we do 16 by 16 tiles, then we can put more detail. But maybe 8 by 8 would look better.
You're right.
Hi, bot. Joey connected the bot. Okay, so let's just make some floor tiles, and then we'll just take them as they come, you know. By them, I mean writing the code. And as they come, I mean figuring out what features we need. Okay, first off, we're going to make an uneven wooden floor.
Einstein Arduino says, Vivian sounds different.
Ooh, do I really? It's because I'm using my laptop today because I was trying to stream off my regular computer. But then I connected a second monitor to it, and then it crashed. I love that feature.
Oh, I thought you finally got that elective vocal cord surgery that you've been talking about so much.
Wait, how do I sound different? Describe it to me in words, please.
Yeah, you don't sound different to me, so I'll leave that to Einstein.
Yeah, I didn't notice that one,
That's because I always, maybe because I mostly take meetings from this computer now.
Yeah. He says not as high quality.
All right. I'm
glad my voice is typically high quality. Anyway, let's make this 32 by.
What's the perspective?
Yeah.
Let me make this. We'll have I'll have like a little bit of front perspective, you know, and then mostly top perspective, you know, like this perhaps. If we were making a couch, and then maybe the couch is like this.
This just looks like front perspective.
But wait, no, we can see. Don't worry, we'll be able to see the couch too, like this.
From the top?
Oh, I see. Are we looking from the top and then the back is at the bottom?
Oh, no, sorry. I'm not done yet.
Okay. Also trying to guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So then this is the cushion, and this is the back of the cushion.
Oh, boy. Einstein Arduino says there should be a button to switch between top-down and side view.
Wait,
that would mean we would have to do twice as much art.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool, though, right?
It would be quite cool. I agree.
Something's happening with this. Maybe the couch was in the right place to start, because I know I don't like drawing couches.
Interesting. How did you come to that realization?
I always try to draw couches. I think I drew a couch for the fire game, and it didn't look good, and I hated it.
Oh, I do remember that.
This doesn't look like a couch at all.
Doesn't super look like a couch.
Okay,
I'll give you that.
Picture a cube, right? Why don't I have a cube in this room? Okay, a cube.
It's just, it's one of those things you have to have in every room.
Right. Okay. You have, this would be the front view, but we want this kind of view, so you can see maybe most.
So you want like the this isn't going to be super helpful. The Legend of Zelda house perspective, which is you see the front and the top, but not the sides. Yeah.
Hi, Gideon. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to try to make and also I don't want it to be like everything to be 16 divisible, because I want the width to be 16 divisible, but the height can be taller than 16. That'll just be like the height of the object, you see? Cool. Okay, I'm going to make one piece of furniture and it's going to look successful. And it's going to be a lamp. Gideon, we're making a furniture placing game. But that's dependent on the fact, like on the ability of us to make furniture. I didn't think was under question before, but in practice, it's quite difficult.
Quite difficult indeed.
Quite difficult. Yeah. Okay, this is a lamp. Is it the perspective that I want it to be? No, I never do this perspective is the issue. Why is the maximum arcade image size 1512 by 1512? Is that hardware limitations?
I think it's 512 by 512 and yes.
Yes, 512, sorry. Hardware limitations. This looks like a bell. Of course, every house, you need your house bell to let people know the time.
By the way, if you're making an image that big, you probably shouldn't.
Why are you making images that big inside an Arduino? I'm so curious.
I think you should try using a tile map, because those can be bigger.
Ooh, images and tile maps. Okay, and then let's see. Let's have a variable. It's going to be currently 512 by 88 holding furniture piece, because fancy people call it piece. Yep, and then we're going to.
So my parents are moving right now. Ooh. And I was talking to my dad the other day, and he was like, "Yeah, we're almost done. We just got a few pieces left to move." And I was like, "That I've never thought about it before, but that is a weird way to refer to things." Like your furniture is artwork.
Yep, we love some quality pieces. This piece really brings the room together. Is your dad a fancy kind of person?
No, I wouldn't say so.
Interesting. Okay, like this, sure. The reason we're doing this game, Richard, do you want to talk about your strategy?
Yes, so I've come up, so you may have noticed before that we sometimes have difficulty coming up with games. Well, I've come up with the new patented Richard system, TM, for coming up with video game ideas. And, oh wait, Vivian, can I just say you did a phenomenal job with this hand.
Thank you. It's because I have hands.
You think of, all right, what is a household chore that I had to do in the past 48 hours? And then that's your game.
Wait, what are examples of games that you use using this technique?
Well, I haven't put it into practice. This is literally the trial run.
Okay, cool.
All right. But, I think it would be fun to make a laundry game. I did laundry in the past, you know? We've done grocery shopping games before.
That's true. That was probably the best game that's ever been made in the world.
Yep. We won all those GDC awards for it. Yeah, I think it works in a lot of different ways.
Here's my question. Should I be using an on A button pressed, or should I do an on game update and check to see if the A button is pressed? Released.
It's really a judgment call, I think.
I think I'll try this, and if it's bad, I'll switch. Yeah. Okay, so if the button is pressed, then we'll do, okay, first we have to see, we'll make a function. Get us something to grab. Okay, and this will return a sprite or nothing, and we will see what it returns, and depending on that, we will do things. So this is probably good to do a press and a release event so that it's not running the same code over and over again. Okay, so let's get us something to grab, and then we're going to make a test sprite, because right now our hand's like this. Actually, Let's not make an indicator. Let's just loop over all the furniture and see if they overlap with the hand. I think that should be good enough for now. Array of sprites of kind player. And also let's okay, wait. Set hand indicator. Let's just do that so it doesn't get mad at us. Warning, plays music, and that's why you need big images. Oh my goodness, somebody click on the link so we can figure out the mystery. Okay, so we have to see if something overlaps with something else. And it's the furniture, and if it overlaps with the hand indicator. And if it's true, we're going to return that. Otherwise, we're going to return nothing, or do we have to return an undefined sprite? Get value at 0. That'll give us undefined. And then here, we're going to call our function, even though it's not mega quarter week. Okay, and then the call our function, get us something to grab. Wait, no, let's put this in a variable. Grabbing.
I'm listening to this music on Sign Everything you just posted.
Oh, is it?
Pretty great.
Ooh, I want to hear it. Can you sing it for me?
I'm not 100% sure I know what song it is, though I know I recognize it.
What?
Oh wait. It's Rick Astley. Desert you.
Were you joking that you didn't recognize what it was? Was this a trick?
I don't listen, I'm not used to listening to the MIDI version of it,
Well, that's fair. Well, this feels like a trick. We were tricked. Okay, so let's see if we do this. Aha, excellent. Great. Okay, so I think when we release it, we can always set the hand indicator image back to this. But we may as well just do it properly. So if we have a currently holding furniture piece, then we'll switch it back to this. Okay, now.
Oh yeah, so the reason that Antonio Arduino was using this was because it is basically he has converted an image into a player piano roll. So it's a really long image, right, where all of the notes are pixels. So it's like how a player piano works.
That's cool. Could you stitch multiple images together and put it in an array to get around the image size limitation?
Yeah, no, that's what he did.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, he's got it spread across 3 images.
Nice, awesome.
Player pianos are super cool.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm thinking. Okay, I think it'd be nice if we also had like this is the offset. Okay, before we do that, we're just gonna set the position to be the same position as the hand, because I thought it'd be nice if we had like this is the offset of where we picked it up at, from the hand, because the hand could grab on like the left side or the right side, and when we move it, I would like it to stay at the same place. But that's gonna be some work, and I think we should just get something working first. Richard, are you gonna buy a player piano?
It seems like a very difficult thing to own and move, so probably not. No.
There's no furniture for us to pick up. This is good. Now we have to decide, how do we put furniture into this world? Do we use the menu button?
I think Eric has a player piano.
Really? That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
I've never overridden the menu button before.
Well, it's easy
to
do.
Okay, let's do that, and let's bring in Joey's extension. Oh no, this computer doesn't have Joey's extension.
Oh no.
Wonder arcade sprite util. Yes.
See, this is proof that the system works. Okay, we always get that one right now.
That's true. The system does work. Okay, so render on Z index 100 to screen. This is confusing. Okay, so if we'll have a variable that's like menu is open, and then we'll get menu is open and put it here. And then our menu button is pressed. Set menu button is open to be the opposite of what it was before. This is easier. Okay, cool. So if the menu is open, then let's make the whole screen. What color would a furniture shop be?
Orange.
Orange. I'm actually very mad at the color orange right now. But that's okay. Oh, cool. Cool. It works. Okay, cool. Now let's
What did the
make
color orange do to you?
Yeah.
It's too much. It's too aggressive. Okay, so new variable, furniture options. And then we're gonna put in our images. And we're gonna put this in here, so we can drag that, throw that away. And wait, oh, there is art for me.
Yep.
Please let me copy this. Okay, we have a piece from Richard that's 16 by 21. Oh, a television! The telly!
The telly.
Nice. Okay, so if menu is open, then we're going to fill the screen with orange, and then for all the things in our furniture option list, I'm going to mute this computer, sorry. Cool. Variables, furniture options, we're going to make a new sprite and position it. Set sprite to be this of kind menu option.
I'm gonna be really interested if you're able to tell what my next one is.
What? Okay, so
Kind of a mess right now.
Should I do
drawing this perspective is hard.
I like it actually, but some stuff is definitely hard for sure.
Yeah.
I like the second one that I chose was maybe a bit more than I, could do.
Is it something you have in your house?
Yeah.
Is it a cat?
No. You have one too.
A microwave. Microwave.
Oh, I'm not gonna give it away.
It's a microwave. I've solved it. Where's the destroy block? Oh, here it is. Okay. So here. And then let's see, menu options. Is this going to make a bunch of things every time?
It's what going to? Yes.
Okay, I just want to do this on the first time, so we'll do it this.
What? Why are you doing this? Yeah, definitely don't do that inside the render.
Yeah.
Wait, if you want to do the menu options inside the render, you can just like print them to the screen. Oh, but then you have to have that weird extension.
Maybe maybe I'll make them all existing. I'll just hide and show them.
Yeah, that's definitely a way to do it.
Okay. Well, okay, we'll do this first. And then let's just yeah. Let's just do it the right way from the beginning. From the get-go. Okay.
That's not usually how we do things, but we can give it a shot.
Yep. Okay. And then we're going
I don't think this is gonna work, Daniel.
What?
I think Vivian's gone off the deep end this time.
No, it's totally gonna work. Okay, okay, hear me out. We're gonna set a new variable, furniture option, and we're going to set the furniture options z index to be, let's make another variable. It's gonna be menu z. It's going to be 100. And then let's do a math plus 1 so that it's 1 above the menu z. And then if we ever want to include 100 other things, and then we have to start at 0, this will be easy to change. Okay. Okay, on menu button press, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here. What? Can I not do that? Okay, whatever. I try. Okay, so let's iterate over all the things of kind menu option, and then let's set its visibility to be something. Invisible of the menu option. So if the menu is open, then invisible is not true. So we got to not it. Not. Menu is open. Does that work? Let's see. Cool. And then let's set the invisibility from the get-go of this thing. I'm doing this with the chat.
Do you guys like Never Gonna Give You Up?
Got
It's
old.
a good song.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. I'm impressed that it's lasted this long.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's really the meme that transcends generations. Maybe.
Sure. Go with that.
Brings us all together. Okay. Ooh, Gideon has a piece of furniture for us. Somebody better grab it for me, please.
It's on the chat already.
Excellent. Okay, and then let's place these things on a grid, or should we just randomly place them around the menu and see? Let's just randomly place them. Okay, so let's set the position of furniture options. Cool, we have very confusing. Why do we have options? And this is the furniture option, I see. Okay, sure. We're gonna pick a random place on the screen. So 0 to 160, and then 0 to 120. Okay. And then it will be placed. Nice. And then, yeah, okay. So let's also change the hand indicators, the index to be very high. Hand indicate.
I think this thing turned out pretty well, I gotta say.
The thing that you were skeptical about?
Yeah.
The microwave?
Yeah, the microwave.
Nice. Okay, menu C +2. Nice. Okay, cool. And then cool. And then one more thing is get us something to grab. And so if the menu is open, we want to do something. Yeah, get out of there. Okay. Otherwise, we do the normal thing. And when the menu is open, we want to do the exact same thing, but instead of kind of real furniture, we're going to do menu option. And then we're going to do this. And then we'll do some other things too. Don't worry. We'll close the menu automatically.
I don't know. I'm worried.
Don't worry, Richard. Okay, I'm going to bring some new furniture pieces in.
All right, I'm trusting you, but it's taken a lot out of me, Vivian.
Don't worry, Richard. This is character development. Yeah. Because if we know anything about Richard, it's that he's impatient about getting furniture.
It's true.
Table, nice. Should I bottom align it? Maybe. Bottom aligned. Gideon shared this image. Oh, that was from Daniel before. Oh,
no, that was Gideon's.
Oh, that one's Gideon's too? Both of these are Gideon's?
Just the couch. My table.
This is yours, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, this one's Daniel's. This one's Gideon's. 16 by 32. Oops. Big. Getting bigger. Okay, there we go. Oh!
Oh, that's cool.
I do have one of these. I do notice that this isn't a microwave furniture.
Yeah, sorry.
That makes sense.
I can tell
Okay.
you that sprite went on a journey. It was
Really?
pretty
It was
unrecognizable
amazing.
for a while.
This
For those kids out there, it's a record player.
records are back in style, Richard.
That's true.
Tell
That's true.
the millennials this is a record player.
The millennials out there. Wait, I'm a millennial.
I don't know what generation doesn't know about record. It's truly the audio playing thing that transcends generations.
It's like we have a theme today.
Okay, what are we doing? Okay, here, if we have something, okay, if we grabbed onto something, if we want to set the menu as open to be closed, that's fine. So let's first see if we grab something, the menu automatically closes. Cool. Let's make, and then, maybe we put this in a function. Deal with the menu. It's a boolean. It's going to be open. We're going to put this in here. And we're going to call our function. Does this need to be a...
Sorry, we got a question a while ago from Unsigned Arduino. Wait, if the new images are super big, like the 512 by 88, but are never modified, and if it fits in Flash, it would work on hardware? Actually, no, because this is kind of a problem with our underlying representation of images. We've got a hard limit. I don't remember what the exact limit is, but we ended up, limiting it for a reason. Joey would know what it was.
Sad.
It is sad. I don't know why Joey doesn't like us anymore.
I know, I miss Joey. Joey likes us probably. He's just not here today. He has other obligations
that are somehow more important than us.
They're somehow more important than us. It's hard to believe, but it's true. That's life. Okay, so I just made code that will copy the menu option. Joey's here. Hi, Joey. You still care about us?
Hey, Joey.
Excellent. Okay, cool. Then, hey, I have you on in the background. That's fine by us. We don't ask for much. Okay, so currently holding furniture piece, then set the piece's position to be not this. It needs to be the hand indicator. That's like okay, if you have the power to levitate. Oh, it's like, okay, if you can carry something to lift it up, but you can't carry yourself to lift yourself up. That's what that piece of code was doing before. Okay, cool. Excellent. And on A button released, so if we are holding something, then we want to unhold it by doing this. I feel like we write this code a lot.
I feel like you write this code a lot.
Do I? Name 5 other times I've written this code.
All right. July 1st, 1987. The first time Vivian writes this code. It's in a time machine. That's why she's confused. It hasn't happened on this timeline yet.
Oh yeah, it has. Okay, we have a bug. And the bug is we're always holding on to this piece like our life depends on it. And that's
Vivian, I thought real programmers never made bugs.
Richard, that's just what they want you to think. Making bugs is just part of the process. Ta-da!
We all learned something.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Well, wait. Does it just? Oh, it's a table lamp. Great.
That sounds really good. I like this. I like the vibe we're going with this game. We just need to do more furniture.
Yeah, I was gonna have it like snap to the grid and okay, let's fix the Z indexes right now because right now, do you see this TV should be behind this lamp because I'm placing it on the ground behind it, but it's on top of the lamp. Now it looks like the TV's on a stand and that's just unrealistic. So we are going to fix this by when we release it, we're going to set its Z index to something.
The bottom?
Yeah, it's going to be the bottom, but we also have to set this other Z index to be much higher. See, the first time I make a reasonable Z thing, it's just not big enough. So it's going to be 10,000. And that, see, this is why we don't learn. Okay, so on release, we're going to set the Z index of the currently holding furniture piece. I had to think about it because we have so many variables with the same beginning letter. Can't just blindly click like we usually do. To be the bottom. Sorry. For some reason I thought it would just come to me when I needed to press, but it didn't. Okay. Bottom. There we go. Now let's see what that looks like. Menu.
By the way, chat, let us know what random chores you've done in the past few days so that we can turn them into video games.
True. And they will
not today. Yeah, but we'll make fun versions of them.
Yeah. Okay, sure. That was my bad. I set the thing after I already made it null exist. That's your chore? Okay. Nice. The TVs. Oops. Cool, it's working. I think I might need to do the indicator now. Might be time. Especially if we want to make beautiful scenes. Okay, so here's the issue right now. The hand is pretty, it's a meaty hand. So sometimes it's overlapping two furniture pieces like this. Also, we need to decrease the speed of our cursor. So when we pick it up, which one do we want to pick up? We wanted to pick the table. But right now with our code, it's kind of random what we're picking up. And by random, I mean it's whichever one we place down first in the world, I think. So we're going to fix that by, in this function, we're going to make a new sprite. And it's going to be new variable tester. And it's going to be.
I see. So unsigned Arduino said that their chore was to exist, which, yeah, we could make a game about that.
About existing?
Yeah.
Game of life.
Isn't every game about existing in a way?
Yeah.
Okay, what am I doing? We're going to set the tester's position to be life simulator. That's true. Our last life simulator was about animals. I guess the next one could be about.
Yeah, we simulated all animals if those animals are deer.
Yep. Okay. So we want it to be the tip of the finger. Let's make it this one. So it's 4, 1. So we're going to take the left, and we're going to plus 3, plus 4, plus something. Doesn't really have to be super close. But there's definitely a right answer. For the Y, we're going to the hand indicator's top, plus 1. Oh, so this should be 4. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so then when we do it, wait, that was wrong. Let me make this big so you can see. Wait, point. Oh. You can't see it because it's hidden. Anyway, well, let's just do this. Okay, so now we have this tester. So instead of seeing if it overlaps with the hand indicator, we see if it overlaps with the tester. And then we have to destroy it before it's too late. Should we put this block everywhere? I guess. I guess I could just have one return at the end. And then get rid of this one. And then put this here. This.
I have a hypothetical question for you, Vivian.
Yeah.
A meteor is coming towards Earth. You're the president.
I'm the president? Well, what do I do?
Yeah.
I don't know. Ask my meteor expert what we should do.
I see. You're the first president / meteor expert.
I know. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
I've been playing a lot of 8-ball on my phone with my cousin. So I would maybe line up my other meteor at it and calculate the right angle to hit the thing at, so that it would bounce off in a different direction, and my other meteor would bounce off in a direction, and I would use my giant pool cue stick to hit it. That's what
I like it.
Thank you.
How about you, Daniel? Daniel, same question.
I don't know. I'd be a little bit more aggressive. If I'm the president, I have access to a lot of weapons. So I'd enjoy destroying that. Throw everything I've got at it. See what happens.
All right. Well, I would make a second, more attractive planet. Put it nearby so that the meteor would go for that one instead of ours.
Oh my goodness, Richard. Okay, what if we make the second planet and then use a giant cue stick and hit that planet towards us to knock us out of the way of the meteor?
Change the weather for Earth for the rest of the life.
Why don't you just hit the meteor directly with a cue stick?
Yeah.
Because that's against the rules of pool.
Oh.
Duh.
My mistake.
That was silly. So what are we gonna do now? Should we make it snap to the grid? Should we make sure that things can't overlap in a... This is basically like the sticker placing game. I'm starting to realize that was one of the times.
Yeah. This one's going much more successfully than the sticker placing game, though.
The sticker placing game was fine. What? Agree?
I feel like it took a while to get to this point.
Oh, it's because we took a lot of shortcuts today. But I can't remember what those shortcuts were. Oh, this looks great. Maybe we could do the offset thing. So right now, if we pick it up here, it doesn't jump to your hand. But maybe that's good.
You could just spend the rest of the time doing furniture.
Yeah.
That's true.
I added another furniture thing on the chat. See if you like that one, Vivian.
Copy it, 32 by 16. Everybody in chat, what's your favorite thing of furniture? Oh, microwave!
Oh, beautiful.
You were asking.
That,
so
is that a turn of the century model?
It's a microwave.
The wicker work on that is amazing. That's old world craftsmanship. They don't do that anymore.
Work.
Guys, Antiques Roadshow is awesome.
I've never seen.
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
you would like it.
I tried to watch it as a child and I didn't get it, but maybe I would appreciate more now. How do I do the snapping code?
It's one of those shows where everyone in the world gets something out of it, I think.
Sure. Yeah, I see. I got you. Should I do, so sorry, for the snapping code, should I just do left, up, right, down? And then on those, reposition. And then get rid of this. Are the question marks meaning what is snapping code? Okay, on left button press, let's bring in the tile maps extension. Oh wait, what are the question marks for? I'm sorry, I usually can read your question marks, but today I guess I've lost that ability. Okay, wait, where? Here we go. Okay, so tile maps, we're going to get the location of, I feel like this is gonna be a lot of math. I don't want to do it, and Richard gave me a really good out. But anyway, location of hand indicator, your question. And then we're going to do location left of hand indicator. And then we're going to just set the position of it. Is that going to be in regular scene? Set, place, hand indicator on top of here. And, oh, how about this? When we are in the furniture selecting screen, we can move the hand freely. Well, we can move, should we move the hand freely whenever we're not picking up? When we're not picking up furniture? That seems right, right?
I think Plato once posed this same question.
Yeah.
His thoughts on the matter went a little something like this. Take it, Daniel.
No idea. I'm very curious what you were thinking, though. I want you to finish that thought.
Leave it as an exercise for the reader.
True. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna do it the way that we're gonna do it. That's philosophy. If currently holding furniture piece, then we're gonna use the snapping code. Otherwise, we're gonna use this code. And is this the best place to put this code? Who can say? Okay, and then on a button pressed, if currently holding furniture piece, then we don't want to be able to just pick up or move the hand willy-nilly because we have some furniture that we're responsible for. Oh wait, this isn't gonna work. This has to be 0. Excuse me. This has to be 0. Okay. And then on the released, a button released, then we're going to set the moving the hand indicator. I should have put the 50 inside a variable. We didn't learn our lesson to here. Okay. So let's see. Okay, that's that's doing it. And then let's start off with being able to move the hand around freely, which is where we started. Really, we haven't.
Right. We got a question. Hi guys, I need help with a school assignment. I need to code the app to I need to code an app to MakeCode, and it's a fitness app. I would want my sprite to get bigger every 2 minutes. How would I do this?
Ooh. Should we just do that with our remaining time?
Yeah, that's an interesting one.
Oh, sure.
Okay, every 2 minutes. So you would do an on-game update, and this is milliseconds. So you would figure out math to figure out how many milliseconds is in 2 minutes, or you ask Richard.
120,000.
Thank you. 120, 1, 2, 3,000. Okay, and here's the situation. There's no great way to resize this sprite. Well, how much bigger do you want it to get every 2 minutes? Because if you want to multiply it by 2 every 2 minutes, we can help you there. Otherwise, you're going to have to go with the array route. So you're going to have to be like, you're going to have an array of like all your sprite images. We're just going to have like a baby image now. I can't drag an image out here. Okay. So say your end sprite is going to be like 40 by 40. Then you can start off with like this, but with, with good art, and then the next one, you can go like this. And then the next one can go like this, but they're all going to be the same image size, And then on your beginning, should I just start on you just a little bit bigger? Oh, okay, yeah, then this is the way to go. I'll just throw it into this game.
Well, so here's do you want to do it without making more variables?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, so I would just go into a forever loop.
Uh-huh.
I would do inside of forever, I would do a for of.
Oh.
And then I would put the array where the list is. And then I would do a pause for 120,000 seconds in there. And then set the image of my sprite to be value.
What about using an animation? Can you do that too? And just set the interval to be
That's true. You could just do this as an animation, and you could set the interval to be, 120,000, and that'll take that long to go to the next one.
That's a good solution. So then this one, the interval, wait, is that how long it is for each frame?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, so the easiest way to do it is probably what Daniel just said. So you just drag out an animation block, you choose a sprite for it to animate, and then inside of the frames, you just draw each frame to be a little bit bigger than the last one. And then there you go. It'll get bigger every two minutes.
So there's many options for you.
Yeah.
Choose whatever you think is best, and then let us know how it goes.
You don't want to redraw the sprite a bunch of times. There's also an extension for this that Joey made. And if Joey's still here, he'll paste it in the chat.
Yeah, but but you can only do ×2 or ×3 and ×0.5. Yeah. Thanks for joining and asking. Feel free to ask us other questions if you have them.
We should do another MakeCode help desk this week.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then also on game, I'll deal with the snapping later. We can do a top situation, and it's called up here, but top here, that's confusing. I got distracted. Are you talking about J1Drill/PXT scaling?
That is what we're talking about, J1Drill.
This feels so like after school. Were you guys talking about PXT scaling? We were. It's like, I love PXT scaling. And then Joey starts singing about PXT scaling. Okay. Well, this is not working because we don't know. We only want to do this if we are currently holding an item. So we'll throw all of these inside currently holding furniture piece check. And we'll place them and delete this and put this here. And do you think that was good enunciation?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Thank you. I do exercises, to practice. Okay, let's see. Menu. This. Excellent. It is snapping. This computer needs to stop logging out. Okay. And then it's smooth again. And then it's smooth here. You're like, what's this? And then you carefully align it. And then it's snapping again. Okay.
I put another piece of furniture in the chat, by the way.
Oh, great.
The one thing you might want to do is when you're placing it at the position, you might want to align it so that the bottom is aligned with the bottom of the tile.
Okay, so then.
Because right now you saw that the lamp wasn't really lining up right with the thing.
Okay, so to do that, we want to do the bottom. Let's see, check the hand image. Oh, the hand is perfectly sized.
I think what you could do is inside of an on-game update, just do an if currently holding furniture place. Yeah. And then just change it to be set current X to be the X and set the bottom to be the bottom of the current location of,
Okay. Wait, why can't we just do just set the bottom to be the bottom of the hand?
Is the hand 16 by 16 exactly?
Yeah, I just checked it.
Oh, okay, then you're good. Yeah,
perfectly 16. We totally planned for this in advance. So we're gonna do this, and then let's see it. Nice. Then it's placing that on the grid correctly, and then is it doing the X correctly too? Because of the way it snaps. Yeah, okay, and then I'm okay with the furniture snapping to the hand because everything's snappy. Well, And I guess we'll just draw some more furniture in the 8 minutes because this is something. Okay, let's make this house feel like a home. Okay, let's make some furniture. What else do you need in your house? Well, you need a bed to sleep on. And 32 plus 16 is 48. And then this is going to be 32. Headboard. The bed frame. Other half of the footboard.
Do you guys have a box spring?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you?
I do, but I think the next bed I get is not gonna have a box spring.
I think so I got the default IKEA one. Oh, I think it needs to have a box spring, otherwise you just fall through.
Yeah, well, I think they're building most new beds to not require a box spring.
That's nice.
Yeah, because they're kind of silly, you know.
Are box springs your grandpa's bed?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Good to know. Should I do shadow? We should do shadows for the furniture. My goodness, we have 6 minutes to do lighting.
We should do a water bed. That's what we should do.
I don't know. How are you thinking of doing shadows?
You draw new sprites underneath the thing and fill everything to be the shadow color.
You think that's gonna look good?
I don't know. It's never been done before. We're innovating. Try it. It might. The results may surprise you. That's a bet.
There's no blanket or anything on it.
Then we made the bed, Richard. The green mat. You think the mattress is green? It's pretty large. Okay. Okay, let's make a function first. And then
do you need to change the wood color?
Yeah, it's blending into that background.
Richard, we love matching woods in this house. It's a interior decorating concept.
Yeah. No, my ideal house is one where everything blends so exactly that you cannot see it as you walk around.
So you don't need shadows for that then.
We're on the same page then. So
yeah, the other feature of this house is you have to have 360-degree lighting in every nook and cranny, no shadows.
Yep. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do kind of shadow, and I'm thinking we might need to bring in the extension, but I don't think we have time to say it, so I'm just gonna import it. We don't have time for nonsense today. Actually, I don't know if we need to do that right away. I don't know if we have time, but we're going to attach it.
Wait, do you want to use my shader extension?
Why?
You could, do shading. I don't know.
We're not making things. Okay, well, hold on. Let's see how this looks, because this might almost be done. Yeah. Okay, so let's.
That's true. We don't have time to use my shader extension.
Wait, what did you say?
We don't have time to use my shader extension. I'm sleepy today.
Me too.
It's Monday.
Yeah. Why can't? Oh, here. That's why. Okay, my sprite from this color to it needs to be +1. Man, if we only had that fancy for loop block, because we don't want to change 0 because 0 is transparent. So we're going to change it from this color to, let's see, which color for shadow could be orange. We'll change it later. And then instead of to 4, let's go to 40. And then first, let's see if we're making shadows, and then we can place them correctly. You can give me a quarter, but I wasn't confused. I wasn't confused, I just forgot. Are you guys still there?
Yep. No, I'm just smirking at the quarter you just earned.
Deal with the menu. Wait, this is not the one I want. Ah, Joey's bot is so rude. Where's it Joey? Can't even tell anymore.
Yeah, you're catching up to me, you know?
I don't need to talk about this, Richard. Let's go with Daryl, collapse blocks, format code, find the on A button release, open that up, call our function. No wonder I don't call functions. It takes forever. And then we're going to call it with currently holding furniture piece. Okay, menu. Boom. Okay, we need to clone the image. Place shadow furniture. And then we're going to go into images. We're going to say clone furniture image because we don't want everything to become shadows. 2 minutes.
We're 1.7125% to tapioca.
Hey, almost 2%.
Yeah.
That's what you said this morning, so I feel like it's kind of anti-progress.
Hey, $34 is progress. Think about it. If you had done the 80 thing, the 80 quarter thing, then we'd be over 2%.
That's true. This is my fault. Okay, if we had like time, we can make the shadows grow longer. Wouldn't that be cool? Okay, sorry, distracted. Ed. Okay. It doesn't look bad.
That's all right.
Might look weird.
I think maybe if you made it the dark purple, it might look better. It doesn't work with the antennas, though.
Maybe the light purple.
Joey, we have a request for the bot. It should automatically calculate an ETA, which calculates the average of how many quarters you get per stream day, and then it figures out how many days until tapioca. And then Unsigned Arduino says /J, but I have to say I think that is not a joke, and I am officially requesting that feature. Richard. And Joey, if you say you accept pull requests, I'm not going. Hold on. Please do this for me, Joey.
What if you make the shadow white?
Shadow white?
Yeah, I don't think we have anything white.
Well, I thought the purple looked pretty good. Okay, let's try the white. But our shadow's white?
No, never mind. The purple looks better.
No, this is a stream for risk taking. Light purple, and then here we got to also destroy the shadow. So then we'll do the destroy, here, destroy. And then if we destroy something that doesn't exist, that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We just don't want to be leaving shadows behind. So we're going to do the currently holding furniture piece shadow as sprite and destroy that.
Well, as long as it's defined, it's fine.
What does that mean?
If it's undefined, it's going to be an exception.
So I should check to see if this exists first?
Yeah.
Yes. I thought you meant if it had already been destroyed.
Oh, I see. It's fine. It's fine.
Good variable name day.
Why is this mad now? Okay, excellent. Excellent. Let's work. Cool. Excellent. Okay, do we have more furniture in the chat?
I don't think so.
Okay, cool. Well, oh wait, it's overtime. Sorry, guys. Well, it's overtime. I hope you guys enjoyed this furniture stream. If you are watching in chat and you have furniture in your house, feel free to make some and put it in the game. And then together we will have the greatest apartment known to man.
And if you have any interior decorating tips, send them right to Vivian.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. My name is Vivian, in case you didn't know, and I'm at Live Truth on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Daniel at Daniel. I'm on the MakeCode forums.
I'm Richard, and if you make one of your walls a mirror, it really opens the space up.
Did you know if you paint
That's
walls in different ways, then it can change the feeling of the room?
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bye.